Hello, welcome back guys to another video. Today, please leave a like, subscribe, and share if you like the video. Please, we'll make this one real quick. So the charms you want for your character mainly in the beginning is you're gonna want to have Boreal, Maserati, Elisa, and Castor. Okay, those will increase the skill damage significantly. This is the reason why I have Capri. It's due to the fact we can take a look at my charms. And then my Lacrima. This is the reason why I want Lacrima. Is the Capri because I need the Lacrima. But for you guys, please note please note that you need to have um, Maserati, Castor, Boreal, and Elisa for the maximum damage output. Okay, this is a coal energy build. Look at the gears. I need lots of resource dampening. It's decent gears, not the best. Alright, show you guys my Lacrima, show you guys this, and then Zodiac. 1, go here. 2, go here. 3, go here. 4, go here. 5, go here. 6, go here. Lots of area damage, area effect. Here for more amp. Okay. 7, go here. More amp there. More amp here. More amped here. And then more amp and air effect here. And then this one cold right there. And then penetration. Specialized. Area damage right there. This one crit rate. More area damage there. Damage here. And here. And here. Okay. Relics. Sabdar. Hit rate and stabilization. Area effect. Movement speed. And HP. Mastery. Your crit. And here. Potions, and lots of potions. Okay. That's that. Now breakdown for the skill. It is Arctic Shard. Arctic Shard, it is an energy build. It's a must energy build. You want to have Verity, Awaken, because you're gonna get more pillars. You're gonna clear faster. Okay. So this is an energy build. You want to have Capri Necklace that give you 5 more energy stacks, so you can get up to maximum of 10. That way you can maximize use of the skill. So what this does is you get cold damage amplification per energy that you have. So you are getting 20% damage amp at maximum 10 energy. At the same time, you will gain 2 pillars per cold energy, per 2 cold energy. So every 2 cold energy you have, you will get 2 more pillars, right? And the pillars are like spikes coming out of the ground. So you get 2 more pillars, okay? And you get a maximum of 8, 8 with the awakened verity, okay? So that means that you will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 at 8, so that you have a full map basically. You have 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. That's 5 co energy. That's 5 co energy. You get 2 pillars per each one. So that's so you're gonna get 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 10 more pillars, so you're gonna do a lot more damage. Okay, and you get also cold pen as well to amount up. So this can stack up. So the more cold energy you have stacked up, the better. Also, you then use absorb energy. Then that one single pillar, when it turns to one single pillar, you're getting a ton of amp due to the fact you absorb all the energy, and then it's gonna increase that spike to be really really strong, and then you restack them again, um, and then this is gonna get bigger. But if you don't want to absorb energy and you want to keep it that way, I suggest use fighting wrath, which is the melee buff for melee skill, fighter's wrath. So that you can keep the 10 stack and you can continue to build up the AoE. Okay. We can see how that goes. Okay, we're gonna try that right now. So first of all, we're gonna try with this. Okay. Now, further ado, let's take a look. You got Artic shard. That's explaining how the skill is. Now we're gonna get into the rune. You need Warrior Shadow as a must. Fighting Spirit, Concentrated Strike, Mana Stone, and Confidence for more attack speed and damage. And then you have Blizzard. This will then stack 5 times. Then at the same time, you get more damage on top because this is gonna proc, chill, cold, and all this stuff that you can do more damage on. Okay, and I put status duration, and I have sharpness for more crit rate, big AOE, and then mana outburst is the main one. So this become 4 use count. Okay, you can change this for time XL. Then you reduce this to 23-second cooldown. You can continuously using more. Okay, um, that's up to you as well. So um, there's that. And then seal crit, sealed domain, diamond resource on all of them. Uh, United Crow for armor on the Verity Awaken. You get armor or movement speed. You can choose, and then roll, penetrate slash, simple standard, right? Technique, tenacity here. Uh, More energy here. This is physical. I'm getting physical earth energy. And then illusion X, I turn to fire with area effect, knockback, and confidence. This will give me knockback and burn enemy. At the same time, give me fire energy stack, which give me more damage on fire energy stack. Okay, and there's that. So let's test it with fighter spirit first. As you can see, right now it's at one pillar. I'm getting more energy stack. The skill already give you 20% chance of procting coal. So right now my max stat is 6, right? So that's 2, 4, 6. That's 3. Uh, so 3 pillars, right? As you can see, it's get bigger. So there's more pillars. With Shadow Warrior, it gets bigger due to the fact Shadow Warrior is doing the same damage as the same skill as you do. So um, something to look into when you do that. You see how my mana go down so quickly due to the fact that I have too much attack speed, right? As you can see, my attack speed is at 4, right? So I'm draining a lot more mana um, that way. So that's how the build works. Again, that's this keeping it at with fighting spirit so that you can have lots of AoE, right? You can also use the absorb energy as well. So that's gonna take all the energy away, but then it reduces the AoE size. So it's how you want to play and how you want to build. Um, you want to clear fast. This is good too. So you're keeping the stack all the time, meaning that you are getting amp for the skill quite a lot. So we can test the damage right now. Alright, that's the damage DPS. Due to the fact that I still haven't maximized it with charms yet, because it's still Capri, I need to change the Maserati, so that way, and Alista, so I get maximum damage. This build can be really strong. Um, give it a try, guys. Leave in the comments any questions you have. Subscribe, and I'll get to you. Thank you so much.